Tuesday, May 1st edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you, and as we have flipped the calendar over to May, we are getting a summer preview settling in as we go through this week. In fact, some very warm, bordering on hot type of weather across the region as we get later on into this week. Some 90s appearing on the high temperature forecast as we get deeper into this week. Now, the radar imagery this morning, a couple of pockets of unsettled weather. Band of showers and storms up in parts of the Virginias. Also, a pretty intense line of rain and thunderstorms from Missouri down to Arkansas and Oklahoma. Yesterday, there were some big hailers back into the Plain States. Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas primarily. Also, pretty big thunderstorm or two rumbled through the mountains late yesterday afternoon into the foothills in the evening. All right, here's your temperature map. This is the big developing weather story this week. The warmth just flooding into all of the southern and eastern parts of the country as the jet stream retreats way up north into Canada. You can see the upper level pattern here, flat ridging today across the southeast, but watch the ridging really crank over the, well, I didn't put the panel in there, but the ridging really cranks over the southeast the rest of this work week. But a little bit of a buckling of the pattern here as we get later into the weekend. Some northwest flow aloft might drive a cold front in here, and that's what the European looks like by Sunday and Monday. It's a completely different scenario on the European. On the GFS, rather. I'll show you that here in just a second. All right, so today, I think, as we get into this afternoon and this evening, all right, anyway, as we get into this afternoon, this evening, the chances of showers and some thunderstorms firing in the heating of the day, very much like a summertime day. And those storms will taper off as we get deeper into this evening. Otherwise, a very warm day. Highs well into the 80s today. Could even have a few folks clipping 90, and then I think a number of folks making a run at 90 tomorrow for Wednesday afternoon. Upper 80s and lower 90s. Maybe a few isolated afternoon and evening showers and storms. The heat really peaks Thursday and Friday, so again, most of it's probably dry Thursday and Friday. The better chances for an isolated storm being the further northeast you go in the region, but it looks like a lot of lower 90s for highs on Thursday and Friday. Could even be some mid-90s in some of the warmer spots. It's going to be fairly muggy too, so this is very much a summer preview. Now, over the weekend, there's Saturday evening on the GFS, and there's what Sunday looks like. GFS does drive a cold front in that brings some shower and thunderstorm chances as the late Saturday into Saturday night and portions of Sunday time period unfold. And then on the GFS by Monday, you have a push of some cooler air from the north. It's a different scenario on the European. It keeps things very warm into early next work week. And because some previous runs to the European and the GFS have indicated that slight cool down as we get into early next week, I am leaning my forecast in that direction as of now. All right, that is it for today. And thank you for watching today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.